Howdy, this is Wiz, and today I'm going to be talking about HAX CMS, which is a content management system, a lot like WordPress, Grab CMS, and Drupal, which I've covered in past videos. But today I'm going to be talking about HAX CMS and a website that I built, and I want to talk about my user experience, the things that I liked about using HAX CMS and the things that I didn't like about using HAX CMS, some potential problems I had with it, and that's what I'm going to be talking about for this video. So to get started, I'm on imhax.psu.edu/mzw171. You can create your own websites here using HAX CMS. Currently, I tried to create more than one website, but they did not save the second website that I made. I'm just going to try again real quick. And call this one cool site, cool site, cool site, to see if this will make me a new site, but okay. So this might have just been an error on my end before. Previously when I tried to do this, maybe it was when my computer went to sleep. I was not allowed to really interact with the website because it might have considered my login session as ended, but I'm not sure. That's just a small little deviation from the plan. Let's check out my original site that I made for this. I called it Tree Octopi, of course. So here we are. This is the very basic HAX CMS template layout that they have available. And I made this website about strategy RPGs, more specifically Fire Emblem. This is just a basic, this page, the home page is just a basic introduction as to what HAX CMS is, who built it, my YouTube video, which is I'm gonna link here after I'm done with it, and some memes. Okay. So we've learned how to make pages in WordPress and Grab CMS as well as in Drupal, how to post content, those sorts of things. So how do I rate the ease of access of being able to make pages in HAX CMS? I think HAX CMS is very, very easy to use, especially for people who are not very developer oriented. This website has a very simple layout here on the side where you can edit the current page you're on. Let's say you wanted to edit this heading here and these paragraphs, or to add new content. That's all that little pencil button does, and then you can save that. And how about making a new page? Well, you just find this little plus here on the side, which says add page. And after clicking add page, you can just add a title, and it will add your new page down here. That's simple. And when editing content, you can add new headings to it, new paragraphs. It's very, very easy to use. There wasn't one part of this that I could not figure out. I felt like everything was very, very simple to accomplish. Making pages, editing pages, adding content, those sorts of things. Like adding new content here, it was very simple to find because mostly for this website, I just added images and memes as well as some videos. But I did very, very basic things that I'd probably do on any sort of website that's adding pages and adding the content that I want to add to those pages. And the very basic template that's offered for HAX CMS is very, very easy to follow, and I don't think this is bad on the eyes. I don't think this color scheme or anything is too negative, but if someone wanted to change their website theme, they could easily go here and choose from many of these other themes that are available. Let's go to, I don't know, basic site, and then click Save Settings. And now look at this, my toolbar that was on the side suddenly changed up here. Now I have all my pages here on the top. So it offers plenty of variety of what you want to change on your own. So you can easily choose what you wanted before. I'm going to go back to, I think documentation was the one I had before. Yes, it was. Overall, I think HAX CMS is an excellent website, and I am going to talk about some of the problems that I encountered a little bit later. But for now, I just want to say that it's an excellent site for newcomers to content management systems. It has a very low cost and it has a very low complexity rate. It's nowhere near Drupal, so to say. But then again, Drupal is really, really difficult to work with, and it might be considered daunting to new users. But if HAX CMS is what can be used to better understand content management sites, I thought it did an excellent job. I built this website very easily, and I think it looks fine. I was able to accomplish everything I wanted to do, and I didn't encounter too many issues with it. Now, problems I want to talk about it a little bit is I didn't have too much problem with the regular user interface. The problem that I did have was when making this, I originally went to the website, the hosting site that I use for my normal @realmwiz website, and I tried to use Reclaim Hosting, which is what the service is called. Don't look at that. Reclaim Hosting, which is what I'm on right now, and I could download HAX CMS just fine. But when it came to making a test site or making a new site, I made Treoctopi again, and I was like, oh great, well I can just work on my new site now. But every time a site is used, you're given a 500 internal server errors. So I just could not get this to work on Reclaim Hosting. It works perfectly fine on imhax.psu.edu, but when it comes to Reclaim Hosting, HAX CMS does not really work. And that stumped me for a little while, but I was able to build my site this way. It's just, maybe users might come to this and say, oh, wow, it's not working on Reclaim Hosting, then I guess I'll just give up now. But that's the biggest issue that I faced with it. There wasn't too many issues I faced with the basic user interface. And yeah, that's all I really want to say about HAX CMS. It's a good content management system. It's one that I would recommend to people who are just wanting to learn this. And yeah, thanks for watching.